Always on the phone. Always doing business.
I don't know if I could do that. There's a couple things I saw.
Oh, Barry the Barracuda's right here.
He's going down in the boat's shadow. Fuck that!
He's big, man.
He's the longest Ryan, man.
He's like, I gotta go by that guy to get to the boat.
Ryan's
Ryan
polite and keeping his hands behind his back so that the Barracuda doesn't feel threatened. He doesn't want the Barracuda to think he's stealing nothing.
Is Ryan a Puerto Rican? Is he a Puerto Rican buddy?
You keep your hands behind your back so that the Barracuda doesn't think you're stealing anything.
Was he playing harmonica? No. You deserve to get bit.
This is how we do it in paradise.